Computers, internet-connected devices, and other digital electronics have become valuable and trusted in industrial manufacturing. Whether providing real-time process control, data analytics, robot interfaces, or machine control, networking from the plant floor to the cloud has become invaluable. With the increase in connectivity and the free flow of manufacturing data between devices, applications, and the cloud, there has become an increased need to ensure that all data exchange is secure and protected. Hackers, disgruntled employees, and opportunistic insiders have reasons and potential access to devices that contain protected and proprietary data. The data pathways are established whenever devices are connected to internal and external networks. Manufacturers must provide means to prohibit unauthorized access to this data. OT cybersecurity can be defined as the protection of plant manufacturing computer software, process and automation systems, and networks from threats. These threats can lead to unauthorized information disclosure, theft, or damage to hardware, software, or data, as well as the disruption or misdirection of the services they provide. As I begin, it will be useful to define a few industry OT cybersecurity and secure networking terms. Network security protects data, devices, and systems within a network. It includes policies, procedures, and technologies to defend against cyber attacks, unauthorized access, and data loss. One such technology is VLANs, Virtual Local Area Networks, which allow engineers to segment the network into isolated zones. OT, or Operational Technology Networks, are comprised of computerized systems used to control physical industrial operations. Common reference architecture refers to the network structures intended to provide a basis for planning information security systems to protect against manipulation by persons outside the plant. While there are many network and system security standards, IEC 62443 is one of the most important. IEC 62443 defines what are referred to as security zones and conduits. Security zones and conduits facilitate efficient grouping of assets to maximize protection against unauthorized data access.